Overview of automation stats in Zenler. From the admin dashboard, go to a course, go into that course and scroll across to automations. To view stats, simply click one of these and you will see the mail that's gone out, how many it's been delivered to, opened, clicked, unsubscribed or bounced. If you have other automated emails or automation set up inside of the automation rules, you will see stats for them as well. Here is an example. Here is a challenge or bootcamp that was ran. You can see we have delivered and opened, clicked and bounced inside here. This overview inside of the automations area means it's very quick to understand what's going on with the emails and how many have opened them and that been delivered or clicked within any of the bootcamps. Now in this particular bootcamp, lives were set up and integrated into it, and they have their own set of stats as well. With Zenler, everything is generic, so across all of the automated rules it looks identical. There are certain options that are slightly different, but the way it works is exactly the same, meaning that the system is very intuitive for you to work with. This is an overview of the stats for your automations inside of courses.